All right, so they're rerunning. Let's get started. Okay, so we go to the vendors. Right now, there's no vendors. This is good. Let's try it. I'm going to add a vendor. We'll do Panda Express CPP. Okay, so this is important. So we'll do a email and cp.edu. Okay, so this is a good active allowing mobile orders. Yes, let's create a vendor. All right, so this is created, and very quickly go ahead and verify in the backend. Let's refresh. All right, you can see the users are here and vendors. All right, everything's good. Okay, so this has been saved. Okay, let's add another one. Starbucks. Okay, CPP. Starbucks. All right, the second vendor. Okay, so far looks good. And you should be able to click on this one. You can see the detail. You can actually, oh, no, not a change, not delete. Okay, save change, or just go back. Here, go back. All right, others, everything. Okay. All right, looks good. Honestly, at this point, the vendors, the admin just need to do this. Let's focus on the most important one. Okay, they can manage the vendors. The catalog, I think we already discussed. This is not very important. Okay, but we need to make sure that they can show the vendors in the catalog. Okay, so for admins catalog screen, show the real vendors uh, and other stats from the database. Okay, so what we want now, I think, is to be able to record the login information. Okay, please implement storing the login information so that next time we don't have to re-log in unless we get log out. Okay, let's do this. Okay, that otherwise it's a very tedious every time we redo this. Okay, try this again. Oh, all right. So it's already recorded. Okay. So wow, they changed all the things. So vendors, they use the real things here. They have this tool. Wow, they made pretty good change on the catalog screen. Okay. So there's the breakdown. Yeah, very nice. And here's the vendor and orders here. They don't have anything yet, so we don't need to worry about it. For admin, let's see if there's anything else we need to change here. Let's also update the admin analytics screen to show the real data from the database. Ignore the feel free to drop the content if the data is not available from or okay. So just do one more update on the analytics screen and we should be ready to go to the next row. All right. Okay, so vendor screen, orders, we don't need to worry about now. And this one here, also similar, very similar to the first one. Okay, later on we can try to yeah, change it. All right. So this is good. Now, if you're happy with it, and let's remember, push all the changes to GitHub. Okay, I will do this one after each single milestone. Just make sure you don't lose anything. And now we need to think about what to do next. Okay, for the vendors. Okay, vendors, there's something very tricky because we specify the vendor email. Okay, so that's the one the vendor should log in. Okay, so honestly, they're supposed to get even the best way is to get they get an invitation email and then they go to login. Now here, let's simplify it. So when they sign up, if they got this email, and um, they should automatically be able to have that kind of records somehow. Okay, so let's actually do this. Now we are going to work on the vendors row. The vendors row is the vendor's account email should be specified by the admin in the vendor management process. Okay. So if a user sign up with that email, they automatically can manage that vendor basic information as well as food items, orders for that vendor. Please implement this vendor sign up, login, and onboarding process in a reasonable workflow. All right, let's see. So right here, and we can just log out first. Okay, so we're gonna test the vendor. All right, so now let's test it. So we're gonna start this time. I'm going to choose the vendor. I had the panda, and then with the password, let's log in. Oh, we need to sign up first. Okay. The account. All right, that's good. And then they find out your the vendor account, and then they find out that name and location. I'll change it to Poly Mona. I'll do a student center and finish. All right, so now we're in the vendor's view. So you got the orders, nothing's here, and the menu and stats and account. Okay, looks so far very good. Okay, let's try to add some items. Okay, so for Panda they have orange chicken. Okay, so that's two. Prep time, 3 minutes. All right, so noodle one, and let's do more. Rice. Beef. All right, so we'll create some items here. All right, so we can still edit it. Status is that you can see all the orders for the account. Yeah, that's pretty much just one time. Okay, this time is very impressive. Okay, um, let's log out, and then we had another one, which is the Starbucks. Okay, let's try that email. Actually, what if we use the wrong email? Let's see what happens. Okay. All right, so ask an enemy to assign your vendor account email. So very good. So the logic is exactly what we want. We don't want people to randomly go there to sign up vendors. Okay, so very good. All right, so let's try this sign up again. Well, that's why I'm very happy with the quality of the code they generate this time with Codex. It's literally this whole thing was one prompt only. Create, onboarding, find out that one. Okay, CPP library. Finish, create a menu. And then we do all right, I just put some items here. And the stacks are all good to go. All right, so looks nice. So we're gonna push all the changes to GitHub. All right, So now let's work on the students role based on all the information from the vendors and admins by integrating all the screens with real Firebase database. Yeah, please implement all the changes and database changes as needed by all the screens from the students. Okay, let's see what they can do. Uh, yeah, the previous one was already. Right, so now the new version is up. So this time we're going to try students. Let's begin to sign up first. We use that default password. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so now let's see. All right, so they got some search thing here, quick pricing. These are definitely the things we are providing, okay, the items, and below 5, right? So if I go higher, um, $10. All right, so we are able to see, yeah, basically all the items. Okay, they do provide the images. We haven't configured image yet, but we'll come back to that one shortly. All right, so that's the home screen. Looks like it's working. Okay, oh, actually, it goes to the search screen. All right, and then we click on that. It shows the information. The ready time isn't right. I don't think we put 83, so I will double check that one. And you can actually order that. You can favorite that one. Okay, let's actually try the others. Yeah, the ready time looks like it's a little bit wrong. I think somehow the ready time all has 8 there. Okay, so let's see the ready time for all the food items shows an extra 8 in front of it. Please debug this, or is this supposed to be a, yeah. Maybe there's something wrong when you create this one, or is something wrong when you try to display this. The rest actually looks good. This is the vendor, the location, right? That's your orders, no order yet, and per file, images, payment method, settings. Eight. All right, so they're fixing the little bug there. And now the ready time is correct. Okay, very good. All right, let's try the order feature. Click on order, and that's the pricing, everything. Let's send order. Okay, so that order has been placed. Okay, and then you can track your orders. I think the flow, we need something to make the flow a little bit better. Okay. Okay. So some of the things I want to mention, the payment. Okay, so in order to get the app to Apple Store, we want to drop the payment feature. Orders, can be made without the payment. So the student will need to pay over the counter when they go to pick up the food. Please remove all the payment steps from the app. All right. This is the one change because then Apple will ask you to set up a lot of things, and then because Apple want to make sure all the transaction happening has a 30% kind of a cut. All right, so let's try it again. Order this one and just send order. All right, so we ordered. So the navigation here, okay, so after sending an order, please provide another navigation button to see, go to the order tab or home page. That way, you don't stuck here, okay? All right, let's make some other order. No, this one's still not showing up. Oh, here's orders. Oh, home and order. Okay, that's what it means. So orders. Okay, so that's all the order. You can see the active order, but all of these are active. Okay. In the order history, there's the view. Um, don't show the active ones separate at the top. Indicate the status of the order in each row and provide the button to track it. Let's see any other feedback we provide. The profile, no, we don't have all the payment stuff. And home, yeah, that's pretty much all we want now. And just make another order, send order. Okay, just make that change. We're almost good to go. Mhm. And then we need to specify the images. Let me actually create another student to send order differently. All right, so everything had been placed here.